thing in there.
I didn't know it came on both of them.
He's got
Your mama gave you 2 bucks? I'm sorry. Well, you was having fun anyway.
Uh-oh. I know. Oh, dip it in there. Maybe you better give him the other fork. That one's kind of crooked.
That one's kind of crooked?
Yeah, the things. The
Okay.
tongy things.
No!
Sorry, I gave it back. I'm sorry. It's right here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, you don't.
Yes.
What did you do?
Just stare at it. And then he's a little kid looking at me. He's a little kid.
Got him to stop.